Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do this video on one of the most important topics for VCE, IB as well as the other international examinations. In this video I'm going to break down functions transformations, a topic that trips up a lot of VCE and IB students. But once you understand the role, it's actually really logical. Let's get into it. Actually, in mathematical methods or IB, we use a parent function as our starting point, the transformations. The parent function. What is parent function? It's a basic function. We can write it as either fx is equal to x square, fx is equal to x to the power of 3, fx is equal to sin x, or whatever the logarithmic or the exponential basic functions. Okay, now we will start translation. First one is translations. Let's consider fx is equal to x square, or fx is equal to x square goes to fx minus 3. It's equal to x square, the first graph. It goes to fx is equal to x minus 3. That means this point is 3, 0. What is it? It is translated to the right hand side by 3 units. The next one, fx. Fx goes to fx plus 3. I'll consider fx as fx is equal to x square. Fx is equal to x square. Then fx goes to x plus 3. This is the x-axis. This is the fx, which is a translation to the negative side. This turning point is -3, 0. Fx goes to x plus 3 means the left hand translation. Next one, I'll consider fx. Fx goes to fx plus 2. What is it? This is, I'll take fx as x square, our basic or the parent function. What is fx plus 2? Which is a vertical translation. Vertical translation. Then the turning point is 0, 2. Next one, fx goes to fx minus 2. It is also vertical translation to the negative direction of the y. Fx -2. If we consider y is equal to fx as the parent function, then inside of the bracket fx, it's a horizontal translation to the opposite direction. That means if it is x minus 2, x minus 3, it is right hand side or positive direction of x. If it is x plus 3, the left hand or the negative direction of the x. If we consider outside addition or the subtraction, that means fx plus 2 or fx minus 2, these are vertical translation. Let's go to the next transformation. It is reflection. What is reflection? Actually, if f of x goes to negative of fx, it is reflected in the x-axis. I'll draw the graph now. Think about fx is equal to x square. This is x square. If it is negative x squared negative fx, it is reflected in, this is negative x squared. This is fx, this is negative fx. Next one is, if f of x is given, which goes to f of negative x, it is reflected in the y-axis. I'll draw a graph. Here I'll consider the fx is equal to x to the power of 3. The fx is equal to x to the power of 3 is this way. Negative x means it is this is f of x, this is negative x3 or f of negative x. It is reflected in the y-axis. Okay, next one, it is dilation. What is dilation? Think about f of x goes to twice f of x. Actually, this is a dilation from x-axis or vertically stretch. Like this, I'll take f of x is x square. This is my original graph. F of x is equal to x square. The next one is f of x is equal to 2 of f of x, 2x square. When x is equal to 1, what is this one? This is 1, this should be 2. That means vertically stretch. Okay, next one, f of x goes to f of 2x. What is this? Actually, this is horizontal compression. Horizontal compression. How do you do that? I'll take f of x is equal to x square is like this. F of x is equal to x square, my parent graph. Or f of x is equal to 2x. That means f of x is equal to f of 2x means 4x square. That means as an example, x is equal to 1. This is 1, 1 and 1. This is 1 and 4. It is horizontal compression. The graph is horizontally compressed. The other one, O, dilated by a factor of, dilated by a factor of half, 1 over 2 from y-axis. Okay. The next one, think about f of x goes to f of 0.5x. What is this? Actually, this is horizontally stretch. I'll draw the graph. f of x is equal to x square is my parent graph. Next one is f of 0.5x, that means 0.5x whole square. When x is equal to 1, this is 1 and 0.25, this is 1 and 1. That means horizontally straight. Okay. Next step, we will discuss the combination of the transformations. Here fx goes to f(a) times fb x minus c plus d, where a, b, c and d are real numbers. Now, how do we write the combination of the transformations? We have to follow dilations, reflections and translations. Here, this A represents the dilated by a factor of A. Dilated by a factor of A from x-axis. What is this B? B represents dilated by a factor of 1 over B from y-axis. What is this C? C is the translation. Translated by C units to positive direction of the x or C units to negative direction of the x. Or D represent translated by D units to positive direction of the y or negative direction of the y. How do we discuss the reflection? If A is negative, reflected in the x-axis, as well as if B is negative, reflected in the y-axis. That's it. In my next video, I'll discuss more questions related to your examinations. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to watch my other videos. Thank you very much.